Presenting a Growing Little Ones video.
Hey guys, I am so excited to have these Good Dinosaur surprise eggs, and we've got some Dinotrux surprise eggs. And there's Arlo, and it's a chocolate egg with a Good Dinosaur toy inside. So we'll have to see which toys are in each of these eggs. And we've got the Mega Chompin' Tie.
You can't win, Dinotrux.
And he's got some Kinder chocolate in here. Let's pull that out. See? And that's just a chocolate bar, and he was eating that. Then we have Dinotrux surprise egg. And let's see who's in there. It's Waldo. And there's him. And let's sit him up here. There we go. Now let's open up a Good Dinosaur surprise egg next. And there's the chocolate. Break it open. And there's half of Arlo. Let's see if we can find the other half. There it is. And you gotta piece them together. There we go. And we have Arlo. And he comes with a little paper here. And it shows all the different ones you can collect. So let's see what the other two are that we've got. Let's go ahead and open up this one. And I love that these have candy and a toy, so you get to eat and you get to enjoy a fun toy. And who is this? We'll put him together. And he needs a face. There we go. It's Forest Woodbrush. And we've put them all together. So now we have Forest and Arlo. And let's open up another Dinotrux surprise egg. Let's see what Tuntun's carrying. It's a tour tool. Look at that. And he has a paint can here, and he can paint with it. So let's add him up here on Ty. So let's open up the last Dinotrux. Let's see what's in here. It's Revit. There's a little Revit. And he's got all his bits here and his drill. Let's put him on Ty. Here we go. We'll put him over here. And now for the Good Dinosaur egg. There we go. We've got, looks like, another Arlo. So we ended up with two Arlos and a Forest. So those are really cute, and those all came in those surprise eggs. And we ended up with a Revit, a tour tool, and a though. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. If you declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.